tax is paid in London by means of a check directing over the banker to make the payment to the income tax authority. Do you know what Mr. A.P. Herbert did? He had a beautiful white Spanish bull. On the abdomen of the bull, he wrote, "I hereby order my banker, the Bank of England, to pay £60 to the Income Tax Authority of England, within brackets, may he be cursed." Who is going to bless the Income Tax Authority? He wrote, "May he be cursed," and put his signature, A.P. Herbert. Remember, in red ink, he wrote all these things on the abdomen of the bull. And in the morning at about 10 o'clock, he was on his way to the bank along with his negotiable instrument. He was walking in the footpath by conducting his bull. Thousands of people gathered to see this. What is this strange thing? Everyone started looking at the abdomen of the bull. And what a strange thing. What is it that this lawyer is doing? And A.P. Herbert was a very brilliant advocate. There was traffic jam. There was traffic obstruction. The police authority, London police, virtually approached and gave him a charge sheet. "You have obstructed the traffic." A.P. Herbert said, "I will make the charge in a court of law," because even the police knew that he was a great lawyer. Then he went to the bank premises of the Bank of England. He tied the bull to a tree, then went to a counter. There was a board there. Checks and other negotiable instruments received in this counter. A lady was seated very seriously writing something. Mr. A.P. Herbert went to the counter. "Lady, is this the counter where you receive the negotiable instruments?" The lady said, "Look at the board. You need not ask this question." "Okay, sorry, my lady. But lady, I can't present my negotiable instrument through this counter." What? She was shocked. "What is it that you are telling?" "Lady, let me be very serious. I can't present this negotiable instrument through this counter. Would you please come and see?" She came out and saw the bull and a check being written on the abdomen of the bull. She said, no, this can't be a negotiable. How can this be a negotiable? She went on grumbling and came back to her seat and said, "I can't take it." "Lady, why are you not taking it?" No, this is not the way in which a check is to be written. It has to be written on paper. Where is the law? A.P. Herbert asked that the check must be written on a paper. Where is the law? Come and show. "Sir, I don't understand you. Will you please go to the manager?" Manager was also confused and he referred to the law officers of the Crown. Law officers of the Crown very comfortably said, "You have to accept it. It is a valid negotiable instrument." Checks in those days had to be stamped. So A.P. Herbert had affixed the stamps to the horn of the bull, and some clerk had to check it. And the Bank of England was not in the habit of appointing Spanish matadors for such jobs, hard jobs. So naturally our clerk was asked to check the stamps. When he went there to check the stamps, the bull gored the clerk, and a second charge was filed against A.P. Herbert for having injured. 2 cases, one traffic obstruction charge and another injury to the clerk charge. First charge, look at the argument of A.P. Herbert. "Your Honor, the Crown's legal advisors have tendered the advice that my negotiable instrument is a valid negotiable instrument." Okay, it is a valid negotiable instrument. I was walking in the footpath. I had not obstructed any traffic. And another thing, my lord, which gentleman or lady is there in this England, voluntarily going to pay his income tax? I am one such model citizen of England. And merely because thousands of people gathered on the road and obstructed the traffic, and police could not arrest all those people, they have come and given the charge sheet to me. Mr. A.P. Herbert, you are not guilty of the charge, you are discharged. You are discharged. How about the second one? How about the second case? Your Honor, my first argument continues here, that the negotiable instrument is a valid negotiable instrument which your lordship was. Well, okay. The clerk in question, her duty or his duty is to check the stamps, isn't it, Your Honor? Yes. Every person who discharges a particular duty must possess the minimum skill needed to discharge that one. Do you agree, Your Honor? Yes. If the lady lacked that skill, am I to be held guilty, Your Honor? Not at all. You are acquitted of the second charge also. All of you enjoyed it, I know. I enjoyed it, I know. Do you know the result of this? In the parliament, a law came that checks and promise notes and other negotiable instruments must be written on parchment or paper. Otherwise, every bank is going to be a dairy farm or a place for cows, bulls and other things to be stationed there, and bankers will be doing more about dairy farming than taking care of the banking responsibilities. See how a lawyer with a very high sense of humor, he was able to bring about a change in the British legal system, and he was a very popular lawyer of England.